Number 2. The solutions to the absolute value of 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to the absolute value of x plus 1 are A, B, C, and D. Now, last time I used a graphical method. I'll use a different technique with this one. That is a very important little rule. We have that the absolute value of A is equal to the positive square root of A squared. Now, we can't use this all the time, but we can with this particular type. We've got absolute values on both sides. So we're going to use this. We're going to say it's going to be the square root of 2x minus 1 all squared is greater than or equal to the square root of x plus 1 all squared. Because these are both positive, we can square both sides and not affect this inequality sign. And we get 2x minus 1 all squared is greater than or equal to x plus 1 all squared. Just be careful you do this, you don't lose these squares. Now, you could remove the brackets and collect like terms and form a quadratic and solve it. That would work. But it's easy if we take this across the other side. Like that. And now we have the difference of two squares. So that is 2x minus 1 plus x plus 1. And this is 2x minus 1 minus this. Now watch this. Just be very careful with the signs. That's minus x minus 1. It's greater than or equal to 0. Now collecting up our like terms, we see this is just 3x. Outside of it becomes x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So on our little number line, the critical points are 0. So it'll be 0 and 2. Now this is a positive parabola, so it'll do that. And it's going to be greater than, so it'll be greater than on this side and this side, which means that x must be less than or equal to 0, or it could be greater than or equal to 2, which of course is D.